Top 5 most active penny stocks versus quality picks. Which should you choose? Penny stocks are risky, so any top 5 list should be treated only as a watch list idea, not a buy recommendation or financial advice. Always do your own research and consider speaking with a licensed advisor before investing. Before we go further, we should keep in mind 3 important points. First, fundamentals. Look at revenue trends, profitability, cash position, debt, and whether the business model looks sustainable. Second, liquidity and volatility. Penny stocks can have low trading volume and very sharp price swings, which makes it hard to enter or exit at the prices you expect. Third, diversification and risk management. Limit position sizes, avoid using money you cannot afford to lose, and diversify beyond penny stocks so a single bad trade does not destroy your portfolio. In this video, we will compare to different top 5 lists, the top 5 most active penny stocks today, and 5 quality penny stocks that are mentioned in recent research. The goal is to help you decide which style fits you better, not to tell you what to buy. Let's start with the 2 lists. The first one is the most active penny stocks list on Yahoo Finance. These are US stocks priced at $5 or less that currently have the highest daily volume and the biggest percentage price change. In the latest screen, the leading names include Mask, VNUE, MJNA, ASBP, AFFU, FRQN, IVP, BEAT, IMG, CLYM, URG, WHEN, GGB, GTCH, and QIPT from this table. For today's video, I'm focusing on 5 examples from the top of the list: Mask, VNUE, MJNA, ASBP, and AFFU is my most active today group. The second one is the quality penny stocks list. This comes from December 2025 roundups that look more at fundamentals and financial health scores. Common names on that list include Dingdoom, ticker DDL, Waterdrop, ticker WDH, Here Group, ticker HERE, WM Technology, ticker MAPS, and Lifetime Brands, ticker LCUT. They are all trading under $5, but they are picked because of their businesses and financials, not just today's volume. Who each list is for now, who should use each list. The most active list is mainly for short-term traders who chase daily moves. They care about intraday volume, big green candles, and quick trades, and they accept that a stock like Mask or MJNA might be moving mostly on momentum and could drop hard once the volume disappears. The quality list is more for investors who are willing to hold for weeks or months. They still accept risk, but they prefer names like DDL, WDH, HERE, MAPS, and LCUT where there is a real operating business revenue and at least some path toward better fundamentals. Ask yourself honestly, are you a fast trader who loves volatility, or a patient investor who prefers to study businesses? Your answer tells you which list fits you better. Why do lists look different? Why do these 2 lists rarely share the same stocks? The Yahoo Most Active list is refreshed all day and is driven by news, hype, and day trading. A stock like MASK or ASBP can jump to the top because of a single press release or rumor, even if the company is still losing money. The quality list changes more solely because it is based on fundamentals and valuations. Stocks like DDL, WDH, HERE, MAPS, and LCUT appear there due to revenue trends, financial health ratings, or turnaround potential, rather than one-day volume. So remember this simple idea: most active means momentum today. Quality means underlying business story. Where do these stocks actually come from? For the most active group, you use a screener like Yahoo Finance, set the region to United States, set price to $5 and below, and sort by percent change and volume. For the quality group, you use screeners and articles that filter for low price, but also look at revenue, profitability, and balance sheet strength, which is how Dingdoom, Waterdrop, Here Group, WM Technology, and Lifetime Brands show up. Both sources are useful. One shows what is hot right now. The other shows what might be fundamentally interesting. 5-step checklist to analyze any penny stock. Now the most important part: how to analyze any of these 10 penny stocks before you think about buying. Use this same 5-step checklist for both the quality names and the trending names. Step 1. Understand the business. Ask, what does this company actually do? In one simple sentence. DDL sells groceries online. WDH works in insurance and health tech. LCUT sells branded kitchen and home products. If you look at a most active name like Mask or MJN and you cannot explain its business model, that is a warning sign. Step 2. Look at the fundamentals, check revenue trends and profitability. Is revenue growing or shrinking? Are losses getting smaller or bigger? Quality names such as DDL, WDH, or LCUT are discussed because they have meaningful revenue or improving health scores. Some most active names like VNUE or AFFU may have weaker or inconsistent revenues and are moving mainly due to speculation. Step 3. Check the balance sheet and cash. Look at the cash position and the debt level. A company with enough cash and manageable debt, like some commentators suggest for HERE or LCUT, has more time to execute a turnaround. A thinly capitalized most active name may need to issue more shares just to survive, which dilutes existing investors. Step 4. Identify the catalyst. Ask why the stock is moving or being highlighted right now. MASK, VNUE, MJN, ASBP, and AFFU are on today's most active list because of big percentage gains and heavy volume. DDL, WDH, HERE, MOPS, and LCUT are highlighted in research because of factors like improved ratings, sector potential, or perceived undervaluation. Never buy only because the chart is going straight up. Always know the earnings, news, or story behind the move. Step 5. Consider liquidity and risk. Check the average volume and the price chart. Most active names have strong volume today, which helps with entries and exits, but that liquidity can vanish and turn into sharp reversals. Quality names may trade more quietly, but can still be volatile, so you still have to think about position size and stop levels. Let's put the two lists side by side. Think of the most active group, MASK, VNUE, MJN, ASBP, and AFFU, as a hunting ground for short-term trades. You run each ticker through the 5-step checklist and only consider trading the ones that match your rules. Think of the quality group, DDL, WDH, HERE, MOPS, and LCUT, as a starting point for speculative longer-term ideas. Here you care less about today's volume and more about whether the business can grow, manage debt, and eventually reach profitability. Some traders mix both styles, one small, fast trade from the Yahoo list, and 1 or 2 positions from the quality list as longer-term baits, always with strict risk limits. Every top 5 list is just a watch list, not a shopping list. Fundamentals, liquidity, and diversification matter more than any single hot ticker. Decide whether you are playing the most active game or the quality game, and build rules that match your style. If this video helped you understand the difference between trending penny stocks like Mask, VNUE and quality penny stocks like DDL or LCUT, hit like, subscribe, and comment which ticker you want a deeper breakdown on next. Thanks for watching, and trade safely.